know what? I'm definitely doing something about it because I looked into it. There are attorneys out there that literally deal with people who were misinformed by clerks, and it directly affects their case. Because I just got off the phone with someone for half an hour. I was calling someone because I needed to talk to somebody. I was sitting with myself. I hit up this therapist from like a decade ago. He had no availability. So I asked Claude, by the way, it just automatically gives you a suicide hotline, which I had no idea was. It just said call 988. Called 988. Lady said, yeah, this is a suicide hotline. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm not suicidal. Like, what? Have a great day. And she was like, no, we can talk. And I'm like, wait, I don't want these resources spent on me. I'm not suicidal. But she reaffirmed me, told me it was totally okay. Um, and we just talked for half an hour and she just listened and it was great. Thank you. But um, I did find out because there is, let me see here. There is a legit, um, there's a legal aid, Iowa, or an appellate specialist. So basically, um, where is it? Oh, where is it? It's designed for like people who are specifically misinformed by like a clerk. Yeah. So an appellate procedure is specific enough that, yeah. So if there's a reversal argument based on the clerk's misrepresentation itself. So I was 1000% misrepresented by a clerk twice. And that is why I lost. I didn't even lose the court case. I never got to present the court case. I was misinformed by a clerk that it was canceled, so I didn't show. There was no documented proof. But I'm like, Your Honor, the documented proof is that I submitted a new original notice. The clerk said that that would produce a new court date. So to wait until the 27th, so the original court date was like on the 21st or the 20th. So I'm waiting. The 20th comes, 21st comes. I get a dismissal with prejudice. I'm like, what? I'm waiting for a new court date on the 27th. That's when the clerk said I would hear back from. So then I appeal it. It gets appealed June 12th, today. I show up, clerk says, and I make sure of it. This is about me presenting my evidence, correct? Yes, submit your evidence for the original. This is a do-over. This isn't you trying to figure out why you didn't show up. It got approved. It's a do-over. I go, perfect, amazing. Show up again, same thing. I start presenting my evidence. The judge literally goes, that's not what this is for. And I'm like, what? What is this? What? So unprepared yet again, Mr. Tully. And I'm just like, no, I'm not unprepared. What are you talking about? I'm over prepared. And he throws it out. And he's like, so what did you, and I'm like, I thought this was, and he's like, no, like you missed court. Why did you miss court? And I was like, the clerk told me it was canceled. Where's the clerk to testify? They told me it was handled. They told me it was taken care of. They told me I didn't need to like it was already taken care of. So twice I was 100% misrepresented by a clerk. And now the whole focus of this whole lawsuit or whatever is now on and has been on and has always been on not showing. But so I never even got to present my evidence. So now the whole thing gets thrown out. And this lady that I spoke on the phone with said something so good. She's like, because I spoke in like three 10-minute sessions. So I would just go off for 10 minutes. She would get like 30 seconds to talk. I would go off for another 10 minutes. She said something so good, such a good listener. She said, you went to the system to receive justice for the wrongdoing that you experienced. Yet the system you went to and the point of it actually went against what it was supposed to do. And I'm just like, oh my God, literally. I went to the court because someone did wrong by me. Then, in the process of going through the court system and the procedures, I get wronged, not maliciously. I get misinformed by a clerk, and I rely on that misinformation. And because of that, I never actually even get to present my evidence. The court case is just thrown out. And I'm like, I could not imagine if this was done for something worse. Because this is just money. I'm going to be okay. I'm going to make more money. It sucks. And I hate this motherfucker that I was in court with. But I couldn't imagine like something way worse than a business relationship. Like someone getting murdered or something else. I don't know. So it's just like, what a fucking broken ass system. Judge, I'm coming unprepared. I'm not unprepared, Judge. This is what happened. I'll prove it. I was told I didn't have to prove it. Like, what the fuck? I've never been to court before. Oh, like the judge literally treats me like I'm a fucking lawyer. Like, you went to law school, you've been practicing law for 10 years, you know what the fuck you should do. Dude, I'm a fucking private citizen. I don't know how the fuck this shit works. Can you have a little bit of fucking grace? Like, Your Honor, I was misinformed twice. Like, what the fuck are we doing here? So what a stupid ass system. Like, that's the fucking system that we have in place. And I will say, I have a very limited experience. This is the first time I've ever been to court. Okay. But is that an accurate depiction of how it is? No. Do I know the accurate depiction? Also no. So could it be an accurate depiction? Possibly. But what a retarded ass system. Like, I think it needs to understand that there's two private citizens having a dispute here. We don't know the fucking law. So I just found that infuriating and just disappointing for the judge to do that. Like, what? So I don't know. I just think that's so fucking insane. So insane. Like, and maybe it would have been different in small claims if I was told it was never canceled and then I fucking showed up. And maybe the judge would have been more understanding because I went to a higher level judge, right? But I'm like, what a system. Holy shit. How fucking retarded.